Thank you mheshimiwa ni gwetikira kwararinya natwe muthenya omunthi wikia marikia Jubilee na uravai for governor wikia marikia Jubilee kuringana nawe nominations ile kwa siku mweri wa kathatu ni kwa sie free and fair.
Turachira ni gukora sie fair, free and fair. Tondo ni turatwikira assured ni waziri Tunju uri urugamirite campaign cia Jubilee Party araiwe mwarori na uga ni gukora cie free and fair watwika ni gukora na county election board na gukora na national election board na gakoragwa ikiranwa ni andu mataya kuma guku na marito makamenyekana ma county election board muthenya ya mwisho pio.
No ati niki gitumi turona atongoria amwe akuma county ya Embu na county ya Meru makiuma Jubilee makithituge kiama gia kama maendeleo chap.
Na pati ile cienge. Gitumi ni election iko very competitive na pati kifomwa kuma kwe jap na pati ile cienge kwe andu maambirie ku participate na rate nene muno gukira aria engi rwacio ni marareka tamaina advantage kiraito na aria engi makoneka takuma mangidominate party na kwengi na mendete gwika propaganda ciao kona nira maiva kwina party leader na deputy party leader na kadhalika acio ni maratuma andu mambirie ku wishiria kana kweli ni gakura free and fair.
Koguo kwina kuthurwa kwa Kariuki Mati eta mutongori wa maundu ma Jubilee na kurerikana Kariuki Mati wana ringi kwe nora support governor mwe uri one of the contestants wa governor gitikia governor in Embu koguo ndurona ta kuvuva kurete thina
na Kariuki gutiekete avetwe ni mundu areka retagwa voluntary job wira wa gutethereria uvoro wa registration ya woshi wa kura no ngwiciria to nonekaga party headquarters arama monaga andu apate kuma guku na MCA seretire kuria fone foma andu mathukire to ningi onoria takwa director wa operations na elections kumbe itura clarify ni waziri Tunju ati utiegete takiu bandu.
Okay, andu account ya no mende kumenya urenda gitiki ya governor Embu tamu ya kairi niki
tondu nina agenda ya andu a Embu ira twamerire na ni twa disruptirwe muno tamu ino ya mbere twambirie na petition 2013 election petition ya mieri 6 tukiambiria January 2014 mpaka December 2015 tukorwa na masiasa duni motions ya impeachment one after another riu tha icio ciothe ni ciaurire na magoti riu wana miaka 3 ni aurira nthi riu ta miaka iri ni very important wana utenge na maundu mau nwaningietie ta miaka iri tondo wira wa governor ni mwingi ni ta wira wa president at national level na ni tumuonaga term cia president yetu 10 na cia governor 10 ndita kore wetagwa Philippines term ya president ni ya one term no miaka 6 kana miaka 8 niguo mutongoria kuruta wira wa kwigana tondo ni very challenging implementation ikora very challenging na ritumi terms watho urauga miaka 10 ni metikiria ni sheria na ni miaga niguo mundu atigwe eka maundu manene na no nguve example ya Lagos State yakorwa in the mono poor and tidy nini no ria governor avotire gwikara miaka 10 no tongoria mwega agicoka agi succeed ni governor wingi another 10 years Lagos is number 1 in Nigeria. Utongori wa miaka 10 ni mwega. Na uri gwosha nake athire miaka 10 na akarutera mwega. You don't want change ya county forever.
No gweta maundu ma impeachment. Don't you think iyo ya a bit too much? Yani ndure wongienda kuvuro ko tigire mundu wengi. What if the same happens one second term ino ya kairi?
Ai. Hero ni na ruiringe. Ndia succeed bai. Iru ningitikiria andu mageria gwosha onene na gite kiavu na murango avu vanike. Number 2, acio ni andu mendaga gukinyira bia cia account. Na ndiye metikiria ingito na verwe madarakani wananchi. Urona ministers makenda gite kia governor ndu wa independence ya gite kivetwe finya mwingi muno ni katiba ya Kenya. Katiba ya Kenya ya 2010 ni gitirite gite kia governor muno. Koguo na makatira makigeria threshold ria setirwe ni Court of Appeal ya Nyeri, High Court ya Kerugoya na Court of Appeal ya Nairobi. Threshold ni very very high. Nitumiro na mawaziri makienda kuma mangirutwa ni mundu umwe kana mbunge makienda gutweka governors tondu wa threshold. Koguo impeachment icio ni ciatethiria kuvavinya itikia governor.
Talking of impeachment, ni maundu mariku urona ndu avota ku achieve na wendete ungiendete ku achieve no impeachment yo ru maria urerira andu county ya Embu ati no kuvota ru kumu achieve in the next 5 years ungisagurwa governor?
Mengi muno taru tungi na state of the art stadium ila tweka campaign twarandaga stadium ino ya Embu mutheturi anu maga urukerwa muthetu ni helicopters cia president cia deputy president cietu tukirandi vandu vau kivaro kiu gia kiuru muno no ndo maundu mau mothe megikire tutiavata kuthiria kivaro kiu to the highest standards iria neciragiria international standards. Wakorwo ni thibitari ta ino ya Embu level 5 no amere kumikinyia level 6 itwike teaching and referral hospital. Nego tovota gwika maundu mengi makiria kuthomithagia graduate medical officers na other paramedics. Niguo tumagirwe ni universities ya Embu ya Chuka na kadhalika. Niguo tovota gwika indo ta organ transplant, like kidney transplant. Ni maundu mengi muno ningenda gwika. Tunyitanite na national government tunaenda Embu ikorwe na dams if inya. It will not be possible in the shortest time possible. Tunyitanite na national government tunaenda barabara cia Embu ta cionthe county major county roads ikorwe cie tarmacked. Tutivotete gwika uguo no aturageria. Maundu ni mengi tungienda gwika. Ni twavangite International Investors Conference in 2013 October. Na nundu wa disruption ino nauga tutiavata kufingia the result na is successful. Tondu nenda tukure na factories cia agribusiness. Tukure package add value indo iria cia agriculture tukoragia guku tongoretwe ni macadamia, kawa, majani, magembe, passion fruit, correction then that we packaged. It has not happened yet. Factory ni tuambirite no tutikinyete stage ya packaging ira nirenda. Tondurisho ni chikurete more employment for the youth na wealth creation for the older people.
Tukitiga maundu ma impeachment, toke how you relate to the speaker, senator na MP Mbarire. Ino ni ikwasi personal differences ka just political ideological differences?
Gwishiria ni ulia turaria life. Ni mundu wa maendeleo. Ndiendete siasa. Andu acio agweta athatu mendete siasa muno. Nona riu tutinge gucana. Toni ni mundu wa gwika maundu na ndikenagua ni siasa nduni na ni makenagua nicio riu ni tofauti
kuringana nawe
ni tofauti
kuringana nawe ri urona takwa wikite enough for andu a county ya Embu uria ati ni magucokia gitiri giki anga bana ringi
Luciru ngoretwe na fasi nini muno ya gwika maundu ingi tondu cira ciakwa ciathirire December 11th 2015
but are you confident ni magucokia gitiri giki anga bana ringi
nego ingi uria mararia marakenwa ni twamarutire murigo wa arimu wa nursery nio marivaga arimu tukimandikira arimu kuma January 2014 ngivuragwo guo arimu acio marutite wira mwega muno arimu makiria 500 ciana ciongerereka twaka over 40 classes model classes na mwaka ni tugwaka na ciingi makiria watacio na program yetu mwana ucithiite wega muno tuongera equipment in polytechnics ira operate wega muno over 25 polytechnics to county ya mbere ku provide water tanks for water each water tank 12,000 liters to all the primary schools and secondary schools in the county ciana iranywa maji matheru irathambia jana maji matheru mamiverethi kana mambura with the gutters kirete maji mau batangire meto we are a model mwena wa youth empowerment our trust fund youth trust fund is exceptionally successful tugite na MCAs and CECs chief officers coming to benchmark with us kuma Kiambu we have youth from Murang'a we have youth from Makueni who have come to benchmark with us tondo turava youth mbia na makarifa last year turamavere about 9 million mwaka ni tumava 16 million because it's very successful na success hiyo kuma mwaka ni to translate to extend success hiyo to women trust fund nigua mami na sister ciakwa na cio ifaindike number 4 we have received an award governor's award on the improvement of energy infrastructure kuma thochi mpaka miena huku Mutondore kuthie mpaka na kure airport yetu Bogoya na kadhalika hindi ndona ni street lights kila pahali we have solar lights ila tutethia muno kuriva mandeni and we have 52 million we want to use on transformers on we are going to light Runyenjes we are going to light Manyata town we are going to light Chicago town by April andu ani marakenwe ni ritwe muno Rural county ina ikirite mathitima thiini wa townships ta Embu county twikirite Murika Mwizi floodlights in over 66 townships and niratethia aria andu a biashara kuthondeka mbia nyinga ingi tondu mararuta wira utuku mpaka thaa 2 mpaka thaa 3 na nira improve security and number 5 mwena wa mathibitari we have operationalized over 50 dispensaries and health centers fully operational with personnel and medicine 3 of our what we used to call area twetaga district hospitals which is level 4 hospitals they are fully operational mwena wa minor theaters na icio itigarite ithatu na icio rikura cio operational by April so our level 4 hospitals igakorwo cina theaters na other facilities our level 5 hospital is a state of the art the wards are very neat very clean rehabilitated with wonderful floors we have put up 6 theaters brand new we have equipped a new ICU theater a new high dependency theater There are few hospitals with as many dialysis machines as we have. 10. Very close to Kenyatta National Hospital. Dialysis machines. We have CT scan, MRI. We manufacture our own oxygen. Twithondekagira oxygen yetu na machines igiri. We are self-reliant in mwena wa oxygen nundu arwaru na twina ya kwigana wana kwenderia na bei ya nthi muno mathibitari ma private na thibitari iria ciingi. And finally mwena wa infrastructure no mbere nyuma mathibitari mwaka muthiru turanyitire 2 awards. Award number one in the country, health information, health services information. Tumenyaga rĩrĩa ndawa ĩrathira kũndũ kũna kũrĩa kwĩna ndawa ya kwĩgana tondũ tũratũmĩra digital system ya WhatsApp developed by our own doctors here. We scored the top award in the country. The other award was scored number 2 award mwena wa deliveries, cesareans and normal deliveries. We are number 2 in the country. Honestly, 3 awards in spite of all these problems in energy and in health. And finally, mwena wa infrastructure. We have graded very many roads. We have graded the barabara nyingi muno na tugekira ciingi maram na no turekira ciingi rami. Kibogo Road is going to be completed by April. Dara's Ring Road is complete. Mwaka uri tuwaka barabara kuma Runyenje mpaka na kuria mwana uthiete Andori, Tamak na kadhalika. Na nitutumira over 300 million between now and April to improve infrastructure. Kwa hiyo ni marona turageria. Tone tutigete kuthinwa riu.
No agweta uria twina state of the art structures and equipment mathibitariri. But at the same time manasi zetu mandagitari etu ni magoretwo makigoma muno. Ithine urona ungimithiria ate
daktari ndrona ni national riu. Yo ni national.
Before vauma yagomu.
Yeah. Zitiena thina to nina issue onda. Marivu na focha mara moja. Yo ni kuthire gutiena thina. Ni to solve a problem iria tukora tukuvota. Cia madaktari issue ni national and ni tuko expect madaktari matuike sensible. But kathia na mbere gutuma andu makue.
Kulingana nawe in uria leadership ya gutuika governor in any county ikoragwo evana ni challenge iriku mufaceaga muno as governors and you particularly as Embu County Governor iria ungiona ni agirwe gucenjwa niguo ku better uria mureka your activities and leadership in the counties.
Kore isirere requirements cia MCAs. Tondu tu MCA twena ni standards cia ni tairia cia ma councillors. Aria engi majority. Riu area ni very important. Tondu wira wa MCAs ni wira very important. Ni tambunge tu ya county. Kwa hiyo tunanidi more mature MCAs. Niguo mavote kuruta wira na andu mathondeke tubia kidogo. Niguo mundu agatwarwo Mombasa akathoka kiongo. Kerwa tuthie Mombasa kabewa tubia. Niguo maimpeach governor. Kwa hiyo wishiria wananjira ni uguo na gwisha ni makuvata gutuva mature MCAs. That's one of the biggest challenges.
Okay. Gavana wa county ya Embu, what is that one thing or on your greatest achievement for the 5 years ukoetwe governor county ya Embu?
Health services. 2 awards in 1 year. Lighting. An award. Governor's award in that field. Na niretete maendeleo muno in the rurals, especially townships. Cio leading. And cio ciangene ikurumirira cia manje. Water for children has also been very successful.
kwina issue ino ya mai ma Runyenjes ino constituency ya Sisiri Mbarire andu ni makoretwo makinegena muno iguru ya mai mau ona muthi kuri na press conference on the same. What your take ta governor wa Embu na urerera andu a constituency ya Runyenjes atia?
Nitwandisovire committee ire appointed 26 ere karite kainda karasha muno itakuma wirare mathie beyond statutory period. Riu twina officers amanje na atano na akirishi ya community ana neru mararan Ken Water na ngwiciria ona mangaga kana gutugwika
but and no
to improve the management marathuka muno tondu aria ma appointed ni mweshimiwa nimekarite muno na matirateithia andu.
What about the quantity ya mai andu marauka muthenya umwe tumai tunini
ni tondu riu mekire tu pipe tunini tutagiruta wira wega tukuri habilitate. We are taking full charge now. Tugira vote to take full charge with na andu matakuvota wira.
Sawa. Kiama giki ya maendeleo chap kuringana nawe nurona takwa kira gain popularity muno county ya Embu compared to kira kia Jubilee?
No, of course no. Absolutely no. Hey, Jubilee the number ukura dominant over 90%. Ni remaining Jubilee. Tondu ingine ni patene na ni president no wana detwe no inge na Jubilee no ngie kroi ina sensitive na problems area politicians marafis nigo makateka quick action tewetagira makatokanegena tukathie press conferences na tukathie headquarters matigetagirire nigo patithia na mbere gukora popular.
Kwina some not ugly scenes tonire ta muthenya uria wa Jubilee avakangaru media makagati nomination interim officials with that nandu ni monire nginya TV re na amwe ni maevo make witness no washue andu a county ya Embu ati nominations cia March na elections cia August igakwa cie peaceful in Embu county.
Gwiciria ingi kwa wega utaenda kipendeleo no itweke peaceful. Na niturakora twe macho muno tungiona mu politician urenda gwika rigi nitura intervene very fast tamuthe ndio kwaenda gacagaci ciothe tondu kwi politicians mendaga kuongerera fake aspirants andu maturamenya matiretia miti no ni maramarivera niguo mauke gwika elections gitumi kwaenda gacagaci ciothe nitukora twe macho twegua mundu tamate kure ripota tukaulia ni uriko mutwarite ku we are watchful nitukuthia na mbere gukora twe very watchful niguo tuthiragia mathina mau mbere ya ma explode.
Kwina some instances ikoretwe ciekuo ati elders aria makoretwe magirirwe gukwa make voice issues iria mwananchi arareta to the leaders makoretwe make memwena wa atongoria amwe ru mathiete mwena wa atongoria muthia makwa men partisan urona wananchi takwa mate represented ni mutethia wananchi ate kwa me represented
ni pete muno elders kwenda mbia muno tondu wakona mavambia ni political leader makina mwendos ni makurus credibility ya youth na ongia makurus credibility na asearia ingi wanao matiretikania na acio nini maraendosi andu kuma magero gwetera tu wananchi mathurane ndo makure mai kiondori kimwe ni meterere makaithurano endorsement ni wanadisharagia endorsement ya mundu no na beterete wananchi okay wani ni kura
So in the next 5 years wasagurwa governor wa Embu ni ndwe in specific details urerira andu a county ya Embu
kiria kiavata muno ni wakisha tukuthia na mbere ku improve infrastructure barabara cietu iguru cie mutrabo kwi mbura na gutari mbura bo ciina maram kana narami yo ni very important ya kairi very important ni industries ira tugo attract nundu wa kuthondeka value addition cio twaga cia kupackage makadamia chai kawa magembe ndigo na indo icio cia migundari very important ya kathatu ni ugima wa mwiri ni wanginya andu wetu makuru mai na ugima wa mwiri niguo mabate gwika maendeleo ni tukuthie na mbere ku upgrade thibitari cietu na kuhakikisha ciena ndawa cia kwigana tunyitanĩte na national government tukunyitana nao niguo tukore na maji ma kurima na ni tukurumiriria twike follow up niguo maundu mau mekike
kiuria kia mwiso andu aria murenda giti kia governor na mwi kiama kimwe kia Jubilee niwe na Honorable Cecily wasindwa in the nominations will you support her?
Ngashindwa na ni support no ingite kura cietu ni mundu toru kwa andu merete kuya kura muno guku tuko macho kabisa ni ndinge maka ngashindwa ni sawa kero ndangetikira ni uyu wa kura iyo tu wanaje makamwana dige mambure nako ningiocha virago naenda holiday kwanza
na wona kwina uyu wa kura ogeka atia
ndio ni ukamenya mabona na twike thumu
expound in what way ni steps ile ko ga take taru for example wona nominations itina kwa si free and fair
na twekire na ya kuthura officials ya party in account to decide immediately ni to ko devolve ni wera maravangete mangeta advantage no rwa kukura na very many aspirants ma concentrate all those aspirants in their constituencies yo ya injira kugiria wei wa kura atweno turochire kuria party headquarters atwambu kumoro wetu atunju kwariria kwalia kuria mitambo ya Mwaro FM ara ya kugiria andu ara marenda kuvanga kugia na mivango ya wei wa kura yes tutakuwa hivyo tutakuwa macho na ituishe ara mavanga mivango ya wei wa kura ntumeshe tutakuwa macho kabisa
sawa
tutingenda wananchi magiriwe demokrasia ya kuthura tongoria aria marenda shortcut hiyo tucietikira
aya sawa thank you sana governor ni gwetikira kwaraniria natwe tugagucaria ringi twe na interview ingi twe
interview ingi ndi tukario voro wa my personal life uria nathomagira Meru ngopo era utweka mubate
sawa
very good thank you Rita.